was a long day for jurors in the Steve Nodine murder trial. The jury began deliberating just before 10 o'clock this morning.
Twice the jury asked the judge questions, once about if they needed to be unanimous in their decision and how to state a ununanimous vote. They also took a 15-minute break before finally reaching their decision. The jury was deadlocked on the murder and the stalking charge. According to one juror, there was a 9-3 vote on the murder charge. The jury found Nodine guilty of the ethics violations that related to misuse of a county truck.
Now, Nodine was accused of shooting and killing his longtime girlfriend, Angel Downs, on Mother's Day in front of her home in Gulf Shores. A Fox News reporter, Libby Amos, joining us live now in Bay Minette. Libby, I understand you spoke with attorneys on both sides of this case. What did they have to say?
Lenise, that's right. We did earlier this evening. For the defense, today's mistrial is a victory, considering the alternative or the other option, which could have been a conviction. But for the state and Angel Downs' family, today's mistrial is considered very disappointing. We have reaction tonight from Baldwin County District Attorney Judy Newcomb, as well as Defense Attorney Dennis Nisley on the hung jury.
You know, we put a lot of effort into getting him tried before year's end. And we certainly were disappointed. But I don't ever want to imply that we're disappointed in the jury, because I think the jury worked, very hard. I think the citizens of Baldwin County take their duty very seriously, and just next time around, we'll just have to try that much harder to get more evidence in.
Obviously, someone is having some problems with some part of count 1 and count 2, the murder count and the stalking count. There's no way to speculate as to which way, whether they're down the middle or strongly feeling one way or the other.
Now, as far as the future goes for Steve Nodine, since he was found guilty on the third count of the indictment, which was the ethics violation, the bond setting that was set before this trial will remain in effect. He will still be on a very strict electronic monitoring system, meaning he can only go to the hospital, appear in court, and go to his church. Right now, he's also scheduled to be sentenced by a judge here on February 16th. He's also awaiting sentencing for a federal gun charge he pleaded guilty to back in November. Reporting live from Baldwin County, I'm Libby Amos for Fox 10 News.
And a lot of you are talking about the mistrial online. Kia left this post on our Facebook page. Should have been a change of venue anyways. Casey said this: so sad to hear that. I am praying for Angel and her family. And Karen was a lot more pointed, saying, so sad for Angel's family. I guess when you think you are above the law, you really are. More of your online comments coming up a little bit later. And remember, you can read through all the testimony given during the 10 days of trial right there on Facebook and on our website, fox10tv.com.